Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 9.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro rise 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.9% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Intel is planning a $100 billion spending spree across 4 US states to build and expand factories after securing $19.5 billion in federal grants and loans, and hopes to secure another $25 billion in tax breaks. Britain's inflation cooled to 3.4% in February, ahead of the Bank of England's monetary policy verdict, and offering some respite to Prime Minister Rishi Sunak before an election expected later this year. Bitcoin's value fell below $61,000 on Wednesday, dropping 8% within 24 hours after reaching its weekly peak. The decline is the biggest slide in a day since FTX's collapse in November 2022.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1100 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The US current account will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.